In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to create your own customized thumbnails for your YouTube channel. My name is Lenny Rukundo. For those of you who are meeting me for the first time, Lenny Rukundo from Mobileprenuer, the channel that helps you discover your passions, convert them into video, share them on social media, and make money while on the go. Are you struggling to create your own thumbnails? Well, you're in the right channel today, because in this channel today we'll be helping you and showing you how to create custom thumbnails with online software from Canva. Stick with me and I will show you step by step on how to create your own thumbnail. Great, now that we are here, this is the home of Canva, okay? But remember, you need to be signed in for the free tier to be able to work with this. So you need to create an account with them for free, and it doesn't expire. It's for free for life. Now let's start with the first things first to understand what is the free tier and what other tiers are available. So we're coming up at the top for the pricing. As you can see, there is a free tier, the pro tier, the enterprise tier, the education, and the non-profits. The non-profit tier has everything for non-profits to use, so you have full access. And for the free, there are certain things that you won't be able to do, but for the pro, enterprise, and education, so in this video I'll be focusing on the free tier. Remember, if you really want to learn more, there's some videos and videos that can be used here, and they have a blog that helps you how to do the marketing, design, branding. They have quite a few tutorials that can help you grow your channel. But when you look at the templates that are available, they have social media templates, personal templates, business, marketing, education, and trending. Remember, all these are useful because you never know. Maybe you're in we are all in different niches. We're in all different things that we do. We all have different passions. So all the templates are very useful depending on what you want. It can be a mix and match template, and you'll create quite effective thumbnail. Then down here we come to the menu, down this middle menu here, come to social media, and with the social media it gives you the various types of templates for the various different social media channels. So for us, what we are looking at this particular thumbnail, and as you can see, it shows you the various templates that are available. Depends on what you're doing. Remember, we are all in different niches, our videos are about different niches, different sectors basically. But inside those sectors or those things that we love doing, there's one or two special things that you like doing. And those are the images that you are able to select from here. Say for instance, you're a person who loves traveling. So you have a travel blog, and this is a thumbnail that you want to create. Magically, you can pick it up and get to use it. You can change the color scheme. For instance, you want this to be a bit of a greenish. You come there, you change it. Text, as you can see, needs to be popping out so that people can know what you're talking about. Then the background of Tuscany. Then you can even add more text. So for instance, we can add this particular text here. We just click on it and it comes straight onto the template that we are using. So we want to edit this, we double click on it, and we can change this to love for travel. And then we change the color, use the text color option there, and we click yes, and there we go. Okay, and these are the text that we don't need. We can select it and just delete it accordingly based on how we want it to be. Okay, there we go. So we've added text and removed text. We've added text, removed text, changed the color, edited the existing color scheme for the template, and as you can see, it is very easy to play around with Canva. Now, once you finish the layout, once you finish this, you need just to know, okay, now how do I get it down? How do I get it do I get to use it? So the first thing you need to do, the next thing you need to do is download it. Remember, PNG is a high quality image that you need, okay? So you download that, it's preparing to download the image, and should be in your download. As you have seen, it is quite simple to create your own thumbnails. You just need to skill up a bit, polish up your skills, and you'll be good to go. But remember, you need to practice every other day to create these things. You do not create once and expect to be perfect at it. So we all suck when we start everything the first time. So we need to be able to do this over and over again so that it becomes second nature. Also in the comments below, let us know what kind of softwares are you using to create your thumbnails and what challenges you might be facing, because we are a community, and through the community we are able to help each other. As you can see, it is not hard to create your own thumbnails. The resources are there, they are there. However, let's remember, it is not the day that you perfect everything in one single day. We take time to improve on these things. So let's take time, get to upskill ourselves, practice every day, and through that we'll be able to improve our workflow. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us comments down below on what kind of softwares you're using to create your own thumbnails and what challenges also you might be having. We are all there as a community to help each other. Also, let us know what kind of other videos you'd like us to create that will help you in creating your own YouTube channel. Thank you.